To match your business processes, you may need to automate the creation of requirement specifications from ideas. You can easily do this with Groovy scripting in Application Composer. Navigate to Application Composer. Since you will be working in Application Composer, you'll need to be in a sandbox. Expand the idea node and select Server Scripts. Here, you'll create an object function. Name the function and add the script. Use the New View function to create a requirement specification and then create a row for the instance and set attribute values. Now, create an action that you can apply to a button for the users. For the action, select the object function that you created earlier with the script. Now you need to create a new page layout where you can add the new action. Here, you will edit the Actions menu of the page layout and assign the new action as a button. And you're done. Now go test it. Create a new idea. And click on your new button to create a requirement specification based on this idea. And there you can see the newly created requirement specification. Thank you for watching.